Hey there, I will just quickly show how to set up the advanced cash on delivery rules app. So if you need to add an extra fee for the cash on delivery, you can click on the first thing, click on the so you need to add this instruction. So we will just try to figure out this. So first you need to go to the shipping, then select general, then you can add a rate, just give name, I will just give name, cash on delivery fee, then you can give, I will just give a 50 rupees fee for the cash on delivery. Then after this you need to save. Yeah, now the fee is active. Now you can actually set up the app. So you can enable the status, then from here you can select your payment method, your shipping methods. I'll just select the cash on delivery fee, then saved. Now the rule is active. Let us test on your store. So if I add a product to the checkout, we can actually see now the cash on delivery is visible for everyone. If I try to add an address, I'll just give a test address. Okay, now you can see there are two shipping methods, standard and cash on delivery fee. Now you can see the cash on delivery is high hidden for the standard. If we select cash on delivery fee, can actually give the cash on delivery only, and the cash on delivery fee is added as a shipping charge in your checkout. So this is how you can easily set up the advanced cash on delivery rules app. Thank you.